Welcome to my podcast, Elon.
Thank you for having me on your podcast. I'm excited to be here.
What are some of the best questions you've gotten?
That's a tough one. I've been asked so many interesting questions over the years. I'd say some of the best questions I've been asked are ones that challenge me to think deeply about the future of technology and how it can be used to benefit humanity. One that comes to mind is, what do you see as the biggest opportunities for innovation in the next decade? Another great question I've been asked is, how do you balance your work with your personal life? And do you have any advice for others on achieving that balance? These types of questions really get me thinking about my vision for the future and how I can make a positive impact.
What do you think is the best way to make a positive impact?
I think the best way to make a positive impact is by applying innovative thinking and technology to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Whether it's developing alternative energy sources, advancing space travel and exploration, or tackling climate change, we need to use our collective intelligence and resources to find solutions that benefit everyone. Additionally, I believe it's important to prioritize sustainability and consider the long-term impact of our actions. At Tesla, for example, we're focused on creating a sustainable energy future by designing products such as electric vehicles and solar power systems that reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Ultimately, making a positive impact requires a combination of forward-thinking ideas, collaboration, and a commitment to creating a better world.
Tell me about what you think the future of science is going to be like.
I believe the future of science is focused on a few key areas: artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biotechnology. These fields hold tremendous potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. With AI and machine learning, we're building systems that can learn from large amounts of data, make predictions, and automate complex tasks, which will have a significant impact on fields ranging from healthcare to transportation. Quantum computing, with its potential for lightning-fast processing speeds, has the potential to transform everything from cryptography to drug discovery. And in biotechnology, we're developing new ways to diagnose and treat diseases, as well as manufacturing synthetic versions of materials that exist in nature, which has implications for everything from food production to construction. Overall, I'm incredibly optimistic about the future of science and the possibilities that await us as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible.
Tell me about the importance of work ethic.
I believe work ethic is crucial to achieving success in any field. Without a strong work ethic, it's difficult to stay focused, motivated, and committed to achieving your goals. A strong work ethic is about more than just putting in a lot of hours. It's about being disciplined, having a sense of personal responsibility, and being willing to put in the hard work and effort necessary to achieve your goals. One of the keys to a strong work ethic is setting goals and striving to achieve them. Whether you're facing a challenging project or simply trying to maintain focus and productivity throughout your workday, having clear goals in mind can help you stay motivated and focused. Another important aspect of work ethic is being accountable for your actions. This means taking personal responsibility for your successes and failures and being willing to reflect on feedback and make changes as needed. Overall, I think a strong work ethic is essential, not just for achieving success, but also for building character and developing the skills and qualities necessary to make a positive impact on the world around us.
Thank you so much for coming on the podcast today and using the computing power to be here.
It was my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Alright, so obviously that wasn't really Elon Musk, but could you really tell the difference? Okay, I mean, it's pretty cool that we're able to make these synthetic people now, right? You can have artificial conversations. It's a little slow, but I mean, if you start having questions being shorter instead of getting kind of podcast type answers and it's more conversational, it does speed up a bit. And there's also these other really exciting LLMs that aren't just ChatGPT, things like Llama, that can actually be installed locally on your machine to speed up the way that the process works. So, I mean, there are so many exciting applications of things like this, and some of them that I'm going to be exploring on the channel. So stay tuned. And if you see the real Elon Musk, tell him that I talked to him, and he might remember me.